Yo, what's good? The sun's out today. Probably go out to get some shots. I don't know. We're gonna do something. We're gonna do something. The bike's out, sun's out. It's good. It's shining. Yes, sir. That's Tim in the background. Tim always got something going on. I don't know. But we gonna get on the road, man. Let's go. Yo, live from the lakeside. Yes, sir. On the bike. Look at that thing right there. That thing pretty. Ski. Yes, sir. It's a nice day. It's such a nice day. Look at the water. Hold on, look at the water. Yeah. Almost made me want to jump in. Let me stop. I can swim though, but let me stop. I'm gonna put the drone up in the air, matter of fact. Yeah, let's do that. Yo, so we just put the drone up, got the drone shots. I'm gonna edit them up. They're gonna be nice. They're gonna be super crisp. They're gonna be fresh. But I really like this angle though. Like the sun is out. It's sunny. Alright, I'm about to get back on the road. I don't know where we're gonna go, but we gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get something while the sunlight's still out. And God doing his thing. God, you did that. Yes, sir. Black Eagle Memorial Island. That's where we at right now. I ain't never been over here before, so we finna see what it's like. Putting up the drone, putting up the drone, I putting up the drone, putting up the drone, putting up the drone, I'm putting up the drone. Alright, so we on our way back to the bike. Got some good shots up here. You know, us flying up over the bridge over there. I don't know if you see the bridge, but the bridge over there, flying up over it. Got some good shots of the falls. Oh, I see some tunnels over there. I ain't gonna get it today because I already put the drone up. But next time I come back out here, another bright sunny day, I'm gonna see what's in them tunnels over there. Cause you know, I'm like Dora the Explorer, but like the male version. I'm like Diego. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mis amigos, mi casa es su casa. Ah. Nah, got some bugs in my mouth. I don't know how to say bugs in Spanish, but no bueno, no bueno. No, that's hot. I was gonna say muy calor. That's hot though. And then caliente is spicy. I remember those. Also, 1, 2, 3, ¿qué hora es? ¿Cuántos años cumpleaños? What's that? That's when when is your birthday? Or is that how old are you? No. ¿Cuándo año cumpleaños is when your birthday. Because cuando is when. ¿Cuántos is how much. But ¿cuántos años is how old are you? ¿Cuántos años cumpleaños is when were you born? Something like that. I don't remember all of it exactly. I'm sorry, Miss Gallegos. Senora Gallegos. If y'all went to Ellison, y'all know who that is. And Colleen, yeah, Senora Gallegos. Man, bless her heart, man. She used to make the best cookies. She would always make some cookies and we just tear them up as a class. If you seeing this, Miss Gallegos, I need some cookies. I need some of them. All right, we back on the bike though. Be with y'all. Love y'all, boys.